Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 30th, 2025. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only these three regular puzzles. And yeah, we have 6 puzzles left. Minus 2. I've already solved these 2 puzzles. So tomorrow, last day of the month, we have 3 puzzles left, and it will be the end of this project. Then I will hit the 10k video uploaded on YouTube. So a couple of years I've done this. So it will be the end. Alright. Let me start or continue with this one. This will be number 9997. So tomorrow we have 9998, 9999, and 10k. Alright. And I think I will do the speed test tomorrow. Yeah. Because it will be my last speed test of this project. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. It's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe a 0 stars. Or 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 0 stars, faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright, question is this a 0, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We'll see. So let's get started. Alright. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, 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 and there. Single boxes, always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and a 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 4 then. Here, another triple box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box over 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. More triple boxes. Let me check. Nope. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. So the other 3 numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. How about this quadra box? This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, the same. Well, this box can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box should be the 4. Here another 1. But right now, insufficient information right now. So cannot fill any numbers here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yes. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. So 1 number left in this quadra box for number 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah. Let me draw this here. You see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5. If you place 5 here, then this box is connected with that box. So we saw 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, so we saw 4. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. These two boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape supposed to be there. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this triple box for number 2. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes and there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this quadro box. Supposed to be there. Then let me see. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box, supposed to be there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this quadra box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and the 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left now in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, and those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3. And the 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2. And the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and that box can be also not the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box. Supposed to be here. These two boxes surrounding 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 3, can it be a 2, can it be a 1 star? Nope, should be a 0 stars. We solve it again. Faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow, the last day of this project. Yes, 3 puzzles for tomorrow, the last 3. I will do a speed test. So yeah, see you then. Bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you tomorrow.